Beginning to get a bit up on the sound. Better to rehang them on a new frame. Put them in a new frame, the sound now doesn't travel out across the town, because you see the louvers are right up here in line with the bell, so it went straight out the sound. Now the sound has got to come up through all this timber, and they won't remove it because this is one of the oldest bell frames in the country. So you've got the old frame we had to keep, and we said they should just repaired the frame and kept the bells in the old frame, because there's less space down here. As you can see, you've only got now to do any work on the bells, walk around on this narrow frame, whereas the old frame is 6 inches wide. But you can see this is a big bell. Now you see the ropes, as you can see, come through these wheels, and that's what you swing the bell on the wheel, you see.